Cleetus, I beat you. I get to drift around your track. Deal?
Bro, you can try.
Boom. What is up, guys? Good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to the track. We're still chasing those 10s, but I got a pretty good feeling that we're gonna get it today. But first, before we head out that way, I gotta tell you guys about the newest sponsor to the channel. So, funny story, the other day I was telling my girlfriend that I was looking for a watch that's kind of like automotive oriented. Well, you know how Instagram is, it's really weird, and when you're going through your feed, you'll see something pop up that you were just talking about. Well, this company, Magnus brand watch, popped up on my feed. Their website is magnusbrand.com. They've got a huge selection of watches. They even have different bands, and they come in different colors as well. The guys over at Magnus Brand Watches gave me a promo code to give to you guys, RWDC8, and that'll give you guys 10% off of your purchase. I ended up getting 2 of them. This one because it matched the color of the C8, and then I picked up this 5-spoke because it matches the C8 rim really well. I feel like it has a pretty good weight to it, and I feel like it's a pretty good watch for under $100, and it's something that I can wear to the drag races, the car shows, and the rally. All right, so we're getting some grub before the track. Let's go over the mods that we have done at the car so far. So we've got the Solar Performance Porta Throttle Body, we've got the Solar Performance Throttle Controller, we've got TKO's Attack Blue Air Filter, and then we've got AW's Track Exhaust. Track Exhaust got me from a stock time of 11.3 down to 11.2, so now we're hoping that the whole trifecta of the air filter, the Porta Throttle Body, and the throttle controller will drop us down to a 10.99 at least. All right, guys, we just pulled up to Bradenton Motorsports Parkway. We're here at the track. Guys, y'all won't believe it, but Cleetus Mcfarland and I are gonna race. That's his Marauder right over there, next to the Taco Bell Miata. Like, what are the chances? This is insane. I cannot believe it. We're gonna go into his Marauder. I don't know what it runs. He's never ran it before, so it's gonna be the first time. All I know is in his videos, all his passengers have been like blown away, so it's gotta be fast. Either way, it's just gonna be a lot of fun. I can't believe it. All right, guys, we're about to do our first race. I don't know that we're going against Cleetus the first time because he's still setting up over there. Probably get in the second race. That's good, actually, because it gives me a little practice run to get in. All right, guys, here we go. First race. All right, guys, let's talk about what happened there. So we got a 1.62 60 foot. We ran 11.2 at 118 mile an hour. I'm not sure what's going on right now. Actually, I do have an idea. Let me check. So guys, check this out. The DA right now is almost 1645. I think last time we were out here running 11.2s, it was 1200, so it's about 450 higher. So I don't know if that's a good thing. I mean, that seems like a good thing, right? The DA's worse. We're still running the same times. Means we're making power? I don't know. All right, guys, the light's a little low, but this is Cleetus's Marauder. He's never ran it yet, so it's gonna be a first time at the track today. Cleetus, I beat you. I get to drift around your track. Deal?
Bro, you can try.
Boom. I'm pretty pumped up about this, guys. This is insane. What a small world. What are the chances? It's insane. Here we go. All right. Here we go, Cleetus. Here we go. Let's go! Come on! Don't catch me! Don't you dare! Don't you freaking dare! Wow! Hey! We got him, boys! We freaking got him! No freaking way. Wow! Guys, we only ran at 11.3, but I don't care! That's so crazy! I don't care if we won or lost that. It's just the fact that we raced him. That was freaking awesome. Thanks for racing me, Cleetus. What a blast. Wow. All right, guys, we're about to do race number 3. So we're going against Andrew from Tesla Plaid channel. Go check his channel out if you guys have it. Oh my God. God dang it. That Tesla's so fast. Ah! Did I really just run a 12.8? There's no way. There's no way I ran a 12.8. Let's see, we're about to get the ticket. I mean, it felt slow, but not 12.8 slow. All right, guys, so that time we got a 1.62 60 foot, 11.2 in the quarter mile at 118. I don't know if you guys can see that, but our DA is 1530. So it's a bummer because I really want to show you guys the improvements, but every time we come out here, the DA gets worse. So I'm fighting the weather, trying to show you guys that it does better. It's sustaining the time, so that's a good thing as the DA gets worse. We actually won that last race because the Tesla actually red lighted, but he did run a 10.7 at 120 mile an hour. So had he not red lighted, it would have been game over. All right, guys, we're about to do race number 4. We're going against the Tesla again. Red lighted last time, so we're gonna try to get a clean run in this time. Model S. Woo! Dang. That was a close race. Draggy says we did 11.2. Wow, guys, I cannot wait to see that one on camera. The Tesla came around me last second. We actually did the math. He beat me by 0.03. He let me get the jump, and I ended up at an 11.152 at 119.28. Oh, I almost had him. I'm sure on the camera it looks so close. All right, guys, sorry about all the noise. We got a bunch of race cars next to us. But that's Hunter in the GT500 in front of us. Dad's been running 10.9s all night, so if we can get it 10.9, it'll be a close race. We'll see what happens. Come on, dang it. Dang. You got me good. Good. Wow. Wow. He got me freaking good. What he ran? He had to run a 10.8, 10.9. Did you red light? Yeah. No, you didn't. Oh, dude, I was like, bro, either I was freaking sleeping or that thing just took the freak off, man. 10.88. Yeah, dude, I thought it was a 10.8, but I didn't know you red lighted too. Damn, 10.8 though, still. All right, guys, so for that run, we ran a 1.62 60 foot. We got 11.18 at 119.20. We actually beat the Mustang. He actually red lighted. So technically we won, but he ran a 10.8. All right, guys, we are doing our last race of the night. We're going against the C6 in front of us. He runs 9.9, so he's gonna burn us, but it'll be fun. All right, here we go. Oh, red lighted, dang it. Corvette is fast! All right, guys, so for that last run, we ran an 11.2 at 118. My first red light in I don't even know how long. So I learned 2 things tonight. 1, the DA was around 1600. And 2, we've been going against this headwind this whole night. Not only are we battling bad weather, but we're also battling wind. And we're still running an 11.15. So if we can get all the elements to work out for us, I think we can definitely hit that 10.99. All right, guys, we're back home. What a night. We raced Cleetus Mcfarland. Absolutely insane. Super cool guy, by the way. Super down to earth. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys like the video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you guys next video. Later.